Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to transfer full row easily in Excel. Why would you want to know how to transfer full row easily in Excel? Maybe you want to transfer the numbers from row to another. So today I am going to show you how to do it. Check the video description. I will try to leave the written instructions. Now we're going to choose our row that we want to move it. Now from the edge, yeah, like this, we're going to drag it to the position we want to. You can move it easily. That easy. There we go. If you want to know how to transfer the full row easily in Excel, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, please write a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.